Here we go. Add the microphone. Turn the switch on. It's been on. I bet it's out of batteries. We're going to do a test. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Testing. 1. Say it. Testing.
Testing. 1, 2, 3.
All right. Let's see the one. Hey, we're out here today and we're going to build a raised bed for the kids. It's going to be a 3x6. We're going to fill it full of the mulch and we're going to try to plant some stuff today. Isn't that right, Katie? Isn't that right, Tober? Yeah. All right, y'all ready to go? All right, let's go.
Right here.
Okay, you hold that right there? Yeah. You're holding it there, Katie? All right, let's put this screw in right here. Let's put it right there. Right. Good job. All right. All right. All right, so we're going to dig a hole and we're going to bury it pretty deep. So dig a hole right there, kind of put it down in there and wiggle it around back and forth. Right there. All right, now we're going to put this thing in there that way. So right about there, dig us a little hole. Put it down in there, wiggle it around.
Wow, that's a big hole.
We're going to put a Tums in there, put that in there. That keeps from blossom end rot. It gives it calcium. So we're going to bury it deep. All right. Let's put it down beside it. Okay, let's.
Just a little one.
Okay. Got it? All right, we're going to put it right there. Now we mash the dirt up around it a little bit. Gotta be easy with it. It's a living plant. Kind of mash it down in there. Okay. So we got 2 things planted of plants. Now we got some seeds to plant. Just a little bitty hole. There's the seeds. Move your knees so they can see. Show them the sunflower seed. Show them that big sunflower seed in your hand. Wow. That is a Mongolian giant sunflower. We're going to plant one there and we're going to plant one a little over here. And just cover them up, mash it down. All right, we got a sunflower planted. No, right here, right here. Just use your finger. Okay, drop it in there. All right, we're gonna plant another one right beside it, right there. Drop it in there.
Oh, we have to use this?
Yeah, drop it in there. All right, we're gonna cover it over. Pat it down. Radishes, okay, bring it here.
Okay, I'm doing radishes.
All right. About a 1/2 inch deep and 2 inches apart.
Right here.
So we're gonna make us a little line. Up. And you drop it in. And then you drop another one in right there. And drop another one in right there. And drop another one right there.
The radish is almost getting bigger. And you tell your people to like you and subscribe.
Oh yeah, I'm supposed to do that, aren't I? See you next time.
My hand is
Oh no! And as always, count your blessings every day.
Yeah.
I know you got a lot of them, so keep counting. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye.